Good morning, kindergarten friends. Welcome back to our new week of distance learning. I hope you all had a great weekend. Well, I'm excited and I want to do a fun greeting with you this morning, and it's one that we've done in class before. And this one, you need to kind of move around. And there's going to be a part for the boys, a part for the girls, and then a part for everybody. It's called 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody hit the floor. So when I say boys, I want all the boys to do their part. And you can dance around, you can move your body. And when I say girls' turn, then the girls get to do the same thing. And when I say everybody, that means boys and girls are moving, and I'll move too. All right, are you guys ready? If you remember it, you can do it with me. Let's start with the boys first. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, boys, hit the floor. We're so glad you're here today. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Good job, boys. Now it's the girls' turn. Girls, are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, girls, hit the floor. We're so glad you're here today. Hooray, hooray, hooray. And now it's everybody's turn. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, everybody, hit the floor. We're so glad you're here today. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Great job. I hope you got to move around a little bit. All right, let's get started by reading our morning message. Over here, I see the date. And remember, you can read along with me. April 20, 2020. Wow, look at all the 20s in today's date. It says, "Dear readers, today is blank." Oh my goodness, I need your help. Let's see, today is the first day of the school week. Remember, our weekend days were the days we were just not in school. So we weren't in school Saturday. We weren't in school Sunday. What comes after Sunday? Monday. So we're going to write Monday. And remember, when we write days of the week, we always start it with a capital or uppercase letter. So Monday starts with an M. Then we have an O, an N, a D, an A, whoops, and a Y. It sure is tricky writing with my pen. Today is Monday. You will have a reading lesson from Mrs. Feldkamp, a math lesson from Mrs. Coleman, and media, remember that's library, from Mrs. Potter. I wonder if she'll read you a story. Now remember, when you watch your lessons from these teachers, you do not have to send them a message, and you do not have to send me a message about their lessons. Only if you want to, you can send me something, but you won't be able to communicate with Mrs. Feldkamp or Mrs. Coleman, just me. Also, each day this week, I will send a short weather video to watch for fun. So be looking for a video from a weather YouTube channel. And it's really fun. I'm going to show you different kinds of weather, and then maybe at the end of the week you could pick your favorite. Your seesaw attendance post for today. So this is what you need to send me, and then I will mark that you're at school. Share something. Oh my goodness, boys and girls, I just noticed something. I spelled the word something wrong. And teachers make mistakes just like students, so I'm going to add an E in the word something. Sorry about that. Your seesaw attendance post. Share something fun you did this weekend by sending a video, picture, or write it in a message back to me. I'll share mine too with you later in the day. So I want you to think about, what did you do that was really fun? Maybe you played outside. Maybe you played with a toy. Maybe you did a puzzle with your family. All you have to do is send me something that you did this weekend. All right, now it's time for our student shout out. This is my favorite part of the morning message. All right, I'm going to give you some clues about who today's student of the day is. It is a girl. All right, this girl loves Disney. They love princesses. Their name starts with an A. They have a little brother. And this person has a huge imagination. Today's student is Avery. Hi, Avery. All right, I'm going to write Avery's name. I'm going to start her name with a capital letter because we always start capital letters at the beginning of a person's name. Then her name has a V, an E, an R, an I, and another E. All right, we're going to add up the letters in her name first by looking at the vowels and then the consonants. So in Avery's name, remember the vowels are A, E, I, O, or U. A is a vowel, so I'm going to circle the A in her name. And then she has a consonant, and then another vowel. R is a consonant. Oh, I is a vowel. And E is a vowel. Wow, it looks like Avery has lots of vowels in her name. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the first part of our number sentence, I'm going to write a 4. Let's count how many consonants she has. 1, 2. I'm going to write a 2 on the second part of our addition sentence. And now we're going to add 4 plus 2. Okay, remember you can use your fingers in kindergarten. That is okay. These are our counters. Or you can start with 4 and count up 2 more. So I have 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Avery, you have 6 letters in your name. All right, it's my favorite part. It's time to do our shout out to Avery. So on the count of 3, I want everybody to yell, "Good morning, Avery," and wave really big in the camera. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Avery. We hope you have a great day. We miss you. Great job, Avery. I hope you felt the love that we sent to you. All right, next we're going to check on our weather for today. Or sorry, the calendar first. I was skipping ahead. I was so excited about the weather for today. So the calendar today, I already filled in the weekend days when we were not at school. So Sunday was yesterday, and that was the 19th. Now it looks like we might be at the end of our teen numbers. That means we're going to go into the next set of tens that come after the teens, and those are the 20s. So when we write a 20, all the 20s start with a 2, and the first 20 ends with a 0. So we have 19, 20. All right, now we're going to fill in the shape. I'm going to start back here so I have enough squares to follow the pattern. We have chick, we have cloud, egg, bunny. Chick, cloud, egg, bunny. What would come next? Chick is going to come next. Very good. Oh, I'm going to slide it up just a little bit right there. Got stuck. There we go. All right, you can see this week something special is coming up. We have Earth Day this week, and on Earth Day, my post is going to have something to do with something fun you can do on Earth Day. All right, the next part I want to do is I want to make sure I move our arrows, and I might need to move my little video down here so you can see the arrows. Today is not Friday. We actually have to go all the way back to the first day of a school week, and we always start school on a Monday of each week. So I'm going to say today is Monday. That means I have to move the yesterday all the way back before Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. If today is Monday, the tomorrow arrow comes next in the reading direction, and tomorrow is Tuesday. All right, we're going to keep moving along. It's the weather today, and I'm super excited to report that it is sunny with a little bit of clouds this morning at my house. So I'm going to go ahead and move one purple rectangle to sunny, and you can see we still haven't had any foggy days, and we haven't had a lot of windy days. So I'm going to keep going. We'll check in with the weather later this week. Next, I want to do our temperature of the day, and you can see my first thermometer. I've cleared out our thermometers for the week because we're starting new this week. Today is Monday, so I'm going to start with the first thermometer, and I checked my phone this morning, and it said that the temperature is going to be 59 degrees today. Oh my goodness, that is so much warmer than it's been. So I'm going to try to find 59. I'm going to count by tens. Do you see these numbers? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now 59 comes right before 60. So I'm going to draw a line. Oops, I did it again. I'm going to draw a line right here on the thermometer. That's kind of where about 59 would be. And then I'm going to kind of fill it in like this. all the way up. Oh, and you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to write it up here. So I'm going to write 59 is a 5 and a 9. And remember, this little dot, this little circle right here means degrees. It's a symbol that means degrees, and then Fahrenheit. So today is going to be 59 degrees. I hope you get outside and play too for some recess time. Be a perfect day to play. All right, the last thing I always forget about the tallies. They're still so important. All right, so we had 12 tallies on Friday, which means today we're going to add one more because we haven't had a group of 4 yet, so we can't cross 5 over. I'm going to erase the 12 down here, and I'm going to write in the number that comes after 12, and I can count the tallies. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we've come to school for 13 days in April. All right, now it's ready for our last part of our morning meeting, and that is our warm-up. So we're going to start by 10s again at the beginning of the week, and then we're going to move to 5s and count by 2s at the end. So today I want you to think about an exercise you can do. I'm going to move my screen so you can see all the 10s over here. Think about an exercise you're going to do, maybe jumping jacks, sit-ups, push-ups. Make sure you have space and you're safe. And you're going to count with me. Get those brains warmed up. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Should we keep going? 110, 120. Wow, we counted to 120 by 10s today. Well, boys and girls, I hope your brains are ready for learning. Have fun with all your lessons today, and I look forward to hearing what you did this weekend. Bye, everybody. Have a great day.